Hello, in front of me I've got XIAOMI 12X. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter passwords and security. Enter screen lock, confirm with your current password, and as you can see right here we've got three types of passwords: pattern, pin and password. Firstly, let's select pin. Now password. And in the end, pattern. Then, let's enter fingerprint unlock and add fingerprint. Confirm with your pattern, and your fingerprint sensor is right here. When it's done, we can go to face unlock and simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.